How are you? This is Evan from Luretubes Tackle System, and I recently just got into kayak fishing, and today I want to show you a way to modify your kayak for Luretubes. I will show you an easy way to attach them to the kayak. Then it's very convenient to grab the Luretubes and use them for all your lures for trolling. You can use them for holding bait, whatever you want to use them for. So let me switch over and I'll show you how to attach them. Okay, first I want to show you what we're going to use to attach the Luretubes. We're going to use basically a 2-inch nylon strap. This is about a 9-inch piece. I'm only going to use a 9-inch piece because I'm only going to use it to hold 2 Luretubes. I decided to put it between my legs when I'm sitting on the kayak. Put it between my legs, and that'll be the easiest way for me to access it. What I'm also going to use are these clips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make holes in the nylon here, and I'm going to use these clips like this, and it's going to go into the kayak there. I'm going to show you a closer view next. These clips, the reason I'm using these is because then I can attach my pliers to these. I can attach the oar to it with a paddle, anything that I want to clip onto it, my gaff or anything like that. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll switch over and I'll show you how we're going to attach it. Okay, for this next part, you're going to need a torch and a big finishing nail. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get this ready here. Okay, you get it nice and red. And then you're going to put it right through the holes. So now it's perfect. And the same thing on the other side. Obviously be careful not to burn yourself. Okay, so now you can see they're just stuck there from heating it, but now you can see they're perfect and they're ready to be mounted onto the kayak. Okay, for this part you're going to need a pen. It's actually like a felt tip marker, and we're going to show you down here. We're going to mount it in between the legs down here. So let's see, get a little bit closer. And what you're going to do is you want to mark where these holes are going to go. Okay, so let me shut this off and I'll mark them, and then I'll show you how we drill them out. Okay, we've marked the holes. Let me show you. Right there. Right there. Those are light, but I could see them. We're going to be using a 3/16 pop rivet. Okay, you're going to need a drill with a 3/16 inch bit, and what we're going to do, simply just drill these out. Get it there. Okay. Just clean this stuff off. Okay. So now let's see, those holes line up perfectly on both sides. And what I'm going to do also is I'm going to use some silicone in those holes to make sure they're watertight. So let me go get the silicone, seal the holes, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we have the silicone on. I also prepared the pop rivets, okay, inside the 2-inch nylon web, and we're simply going to get those into place. Okay, so now it's all set. I'm going to show you, there's just a little bit of room here. You don't want it real tight. You want to just be able to have it that the Luretubes will slide right on there. Okay, so now that's all fastened on there perfectly. You can see what it looks like from afar. Now, I'll show you. The Luretubes will just slide right on there. And that's it. So that's the video on how to install Luretubes onto your kayak. Please visit Luretubes.com. We have all different types of products there, Luretubes, custom belts, and enjoy your fishing. Thank you very much for joining us.